Do you want to lower your high blood pressure naturally without immediately depending on more medication? If your last checkup showed 130 over 85 or higher and you are worried about your heart, your kidneys, and your future, stay with me for the next few minutes because I will show you exactly what causes pressure to rise after 40 and the 8 foods through simple exercises and 1 to 2 minutes. It's a daily breathing habit that science says may help support healthy blood pressure naturally at home. Please remember I am not a doctor and this video is for educational purposes only. Always talk to your doctor before making any changes. First, let me explain in simple words what blood pressure actually is. Imagine your arteries are like flexible pipes and your heart is the pump. When the heart beats, it pushes blood with force which we call systolic, and when it rests between beats, the pressure left in the pipes is diastolic. So when we say 120 over 80, the 120 is the pumping pressure and the 80 is the resting pressure. After 40, those pipes slowly become stiffer because of too much salt, not enough potassium, less movement, poor sleep, and stress. When pipes are stiff, the pump has to push harder and numbers go up. The good news is that food and daily habits can help make those pipes more flexible again, which is why lifestyle changes are the first thing doctors recommend. Now let us come to the 8 foods that research connects to healthy blood pressure support. Number 1 is beetroot juice. Beets are rich in natural nitrates which your body converts to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax and widen blood vessels so blood flows more easily. Many studies show half a cup of beet juice daily may help support lower systolic numbers. You can drink fresh beet juice in the morning or add grated beet to salad. Number 2 is leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens. They are loaded with potassium which helps balance sodium. Think of potassium and sodium like a seesaw. When sodium goes up, potassium brings it down by helping your kidneys flush extra sodium. 1 cup of cooked spinach gives you a big potassium boost. Number 3 is banana and other potassium-rich fruits like oranges and avocados. 1 medium banana daily is an easy habit for most people. Number 4 is oats. Oats contain a fiber called beta-glucan which supports heart health and healthy cholesterol. A bowl of plain oats for breakfast instead of white bread is a simple swap. Number 5 is garlic. Garlic contains allicin which may help support nitric oxide production and relaxed vessels. 1 to 2 fresh crushed garlic cloves with food is enough. Do not eat too much on empty stomach if you have acidity. Number 6 is hibiscus tea. Unsweetened hibiscus tea has been studied for blood pressure support because of its antioxidants. 1 to 2 cups daily without sugar may be helpful. Number 7 is fatty fish like salmon, sardine, or mackerel. Twice a week they give omega-3 which supports heart and vessel health. If you are vegetarian, you can use flaxseed or chia seed as an alternative. Number 8 is berries, especially blueberries and strawberries. They are rich in flavonoids, which support vessels flexibility. A small handful as evening snack is perfect. Now the three exercises you can do every morning without going to gym. First is the isometric hand grip. Simply squeeze a soft ball or roll towel tightly for 2 minutes, then rest for 2 minutes and repeat with the other hand. Research on isometric exercises shows this may help support healthy pressure because holding the squeeze trains your vessels to relax afterwards. Second is a 7-minute brisk walk after your main meal. Muscles pull sugar and help circulation without needing intense gym. Walking 20 to 30 minutes daily at a speed where you can talk but feel slightly breathless is ideal. If you cannot walk 30 minutes at once, break it into 3 to 10 minutes walks. Third is gentle leg movement, especially shows push-ups or calf raises while sitting. Raise your heels while your toes stays on ground and hold for a second. Repeat for 2 minutes. This small muscle pump helps blood return to heart. Do this 3 daily and be consistent. Now the most overlooked habit is breathing. When you are stressed, your nervous system keeps pressure high. A 2-minute breathing practice can shift you to calm mood. Try box breathing. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, hold again for 4 seconds, and repeat for 2 minutes morning and evening. Studies on deep breathing techniques show slow breathing may help support lower pressure by calming the nervous system. Finally, integrate everything into 3 daily habits. Habit 1 is sleep 7 to 8 hours at same time. Poor sleep directly raises next day pressure. Habit 2 is cut hidden salt. Avoid pickles, popper, packaged chips, and restaurant soap, and add potassium foods we discussed. Habit 3 is drink water and limit alcohol and smoking. Even 1 extra glass of water and 1 less salty snack daily makes a difference over weeks. Let me summarize. Your pressure rises because vessels get stiff. You can help support flexible vessels with 8 foods like beet, leaf greens, banana, oats, garlic, hibiscus tea, fatty fish, and berries with 3 daily movements like hand grip, post meal, walking, and calf raises, and with 2 minutes of slow breathing plus good sleep and less salt. Do this consistently for 2 to 3 weeks and track your numbers with your doctor. Now, if you found this helpful, please subscribe to Fit with Supi English and share this video with someone over 40 who needs it. And comment below which one food you will try first. I will see you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay informed. Thank you.